In the session, we will investigate the condition under which iron rusts. For this, we will conduct one experiment. Take 3 test tubes A, B and C. Place iron nail in all the 3 test tubes. Fill normal water in test tube A. Fill boiled distilled water in test tube B. Boiling removes dissolved air from this water. Take some amount of anhydrous calcium chloride in test tube C. Anhydrous calcium chloride absorbs the moisture from the air. Pour some amount of oil in test tube B. This oil layer prevents the mixing of air with this boiled water. Close the mouth of all the test tube with the help of cork. Above this water layer, air layer is present in test tube A. B also contains air layer above this oil layer. This oil layer prevents mixing of this air with this boiled water. C contains dry air because all the moisture from this air is absorbed by this anhydrous calcium chloride. Leave this setup for few days. After few days, we will observe the nature of these 3 iron nails. By observing, we will see that iron nail which is present in test tube A acquires rust, but the iron nail which is present in test tube B and C still fresh and clean. Why do you think this has happened? We will observe that the iron nail which is present in test tube A is in contact with air as well as with water. That means the iron nail in the test tube A in contact with moist air. But the nail which is present in test tube B is in contact with only with the boiled water, not with air. In test tube C, it is only with the contact with dry air, not with the water. That means not with the moisture. From this experiment, we conclude that for rusting process, the condition required is the iron must in contact with moist air. In this case only, iron will acquire rust. The final conclusion is, when iron exposed to moist air for a long time acquires a coating of brown substance. Here brown substance is called rust. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for further notification.